Hi everyone! So today I'm filming a video on how to get this look right here. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 35T palette today. Oh, that's upside down. The Morphe 35T palette. And I don't have the names of the shadows, but I am going to go in with this shadow right here. I also don't have a mirror, so I'm going to use the mirror on this palette. I'm just going to put that all over my crease on both sides. Okay, and now that we have that done, I'm going to go in with this Mikasa E310 brush, and I'm just going to use it to outline my outer corner. Again, with the 35T Morphe palette, I'm going in with this shade right here. And I'm just using that to define my outer corner. So you want to be able to blend that all out. I'm actually bringing it a little, it looks like I have a black eye right now, but don't worry, we will fix it. We're just blending it out, and then later we're going to go in with the transition shades again, so it'll work out, I promise. Actually, we're going to do that right now. Go back with your transition shade and blend it all out. It will look like you have a purple eye, but it's just because that's the color that those are the colors that we're working on, not because you're doing bad or anything. If you notice, I left the lid part kind of empty because that's where we're going to go in with our sparkly shade. This hair is like in my way. Okay, so we're going to go in with the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Bay. That's the color. I love Colourpop Super Shock shadows because they're so creamy and pigmented and shiny. And if you know me, I love anything that sparkles and glitters and shines. I'm just going to use my finger to apply this Super Shock shadow because I can. Like, I don't need a brush or anything. Oh, that's so creamy. Now we're going to apply it all over the lid. Okay, so I take back everything I just said about not needing a brush because my finger's icky and I don't like that. So I'm just gonna take this flat angled brush, even though it's dirty and has blue on it. I think it'll be okay. So that's what I'm gonna use to apply it. Now we're going to do the other eye. So this is the part where we work on blending it all together so that it looks clean. So we're just going to take the brush that we were using before and really blend those edges. Okay. See how it's kind of blended? I'm sorry, the lighting right now is really awful. Anyway, we're gonna go back in with our transition shades. And just clean it all up. So you see how I'm using the foundation to clean up any excess eyeshadow powder that may be drifted to a side. Yeah, that's just what I'm doing. For that, I used the Makeup Forever Ultra HD thingy. And now I'm going in with Laura Mercier's translucent powder. And I'm just gonna put that under my eyes. I'm making sure it's all nice and set. And now I'm going to take the brush that we were using before to blend things out. And I'm going to do my under my lower lash line with the transition shades. Now we are going to put mascara on, and we're using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Luminous Mascara. Okay, so now we are going to contour the face, I guess. I don't know. To me, it's just like bronzer. So I'm going in with the NYX Contour and Highlight Pro Palette, and I'm using these two shades right here. And I'm just going to do my cheekbones, under my chin, and my forehead. And now I'm going in with Tarte's Amazonian Clay in the shade Party. And I'm just putting that on my cheeks. And we're almost done. We just need highlight, lips, and eyebrows. So for highlight, we're going to use Colourpop's Super Shock Cheek in the shade Spoon. And we're going to use that for our inner corner. Inner corners, our cheeks, Cupid's bow, nose. Next, we're going to go in with Anastasia's Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown. Okay. And the sun keeps creeping up on me. Well, it's a good thing we're almost done. For the lips, so we could do either a pinky pink. I do want to do a gloss, so we can either do a pinky pink or a not so pinky pink. I think I'm gonna go for the not so pinky pink. Oh, that's the doorbell. I hope no one's coming here. The not so pinky pink. I'm sorry. This is Buxom in the shade Hot Toddy. Okay, so I had to move over here because the light and the sun was just hitting me directly over there and it was not working for me. And I also changed my mind. I don't want the rosier pink, not Hot Toddy, so I'm going to use Kristen. It's also Buxom, their same gloss. It's just lighter. I don't know, it might not even make a difference. No, it does. It kind of does. I'll tell myself it does. There we go. So this is the finished look. I want to thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And like always, our Instagram will be linked down below, so follow our account if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to our channel. There will be more videos coming soon. Keep on watching, and yeah, have a good day. I don't know. Okay, bye-bye.